Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Oh, that's great. So, in today's class, we will learn maths. We will learn numbers up to 999. In previous class, we have learned numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are one digit numbers. We have learned what? We have learned that these are one digit number. So here you can see that 10 boxes are there. 10 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here is 10. So, here you need to learn that 110 means 10. 110 means 10. Now, tell me children, then 2 tens means what? Tell me, anybody? 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20. So, 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40. Then 5 tens means what? 5 tens means 50. Yes children, here you can see all I have written or typed for you. See, 3 tens 30. 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 7 tens 70, 8 tens 80, 9 tens means 90 and 10 tens means 100. Very good. Now, you can see that here number names have been typed for you from 1 to 99. Make sure that you have to learn this properly. Now, exercise time. Here you can see that it is written that write numerals of all one digit number. Previously we have learned number from 1 to 9 is one digit number. Here is also same. I have written 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The next question is what? The next question is write all one digit number in words. So, ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FIVE5, then SIX6, then 7, 8 and 9. Now, next. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Here the first question is what? First question is the smallest one digit number. Yes children, we have learned that the smallest one digit number is 1. So here it is written that for smallest one digit number, that is 1. Now the next question is the greatest one digit number. Greatest one digit number is 9. And next is one more than the smallest one digit number. We have known that smallest one digit number is 1. So one more means we have to add. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, one more than the greatest one digit number. Tell me children, what is the greatest one digit number? Anybody? Anybody from here? Yes, it is 9. So, one more means 9 plus 1. The answer will be 10. Next one is 1 less than the smallest one digit number. 1 less means first you have to know the smallest one digit number. So, what is the smallest one digit number? Anybody? Yes, very good. It is 1. So, 1 less means we have to subtract 1 minus 1 with 1 only. So 1 minus 1, the answer will be 0. Then the next one is 1 less than the greatest one digit number. 1 less than the greatest one digit number, that is, so the greatest one digit number is 9. Very good. So 9 minus 1, very easy, 8. The smallest two digit number, children, remember, it is always 1, 0, 10. Then the greatest two digit number, it is 99. So now back to our next thing, that is, yes, next question is 1 less than the smallest two digit number. Just now we have learned that smallest two digit number is 10. So 10 minus 1, tell me. Yes, very good. It's 9. 1 less than the greatest two digit number. So greatest two digit number is 99. So here you can see 99 minus 1, it is 98. Now write the following in numerals. So TWENTY 20-5 FIVE. So the numerals for this number name will be 25, 25. I have already done. 33, 33, 33. 46, 46, 46. 58, 58, 58. 69, 69, 69. 77, 77, 77. 82, 82, 82. 94, 94, 94. Clear, everybody? Do you have any doubt? If yes, then let me know. But I know that you all are very good children, and in the class you have done so well. So I don't think you would have any such problems. Now coming to the next. Write the following number in words. In words means you have to write down the spellings. So 24, we know it very well. TWEN 20, TWENTY 24, FOUR 4. 45, FORTY FIV. Remember children, many of you has a tendency to write 40 like FOURTY. No, that's wrong. The spelling of 40 will be FORTY. It's not 40, it is 40. FORTY. Next one is 69. SIXTYNINE. 69. Then 35, 53, 72, 99. Make sure to learn all these number names so that whenever question, if anybody asks you anything, you can answer promptly. Right children? Now the next question. Next question is what? Write numbers serially in the box given below. It's very easy. You have to write down the after numbers. So the first number is 17. So next one will be it is very easy. We know it very well that after 17, 18, then 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. Till this you have to write. Next one is 53. So 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, then 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, then 63, 63. It's as easy as water. I hope you are enjoying the video. Okay, coming to our next, that is arrange the following numbers in ascending or increasing order. Remember children, increasing or ascending means you have to put first the lowest valued number, then you will increase that. So the first question is 26. It is written number A, 26, 37, 14, 49, then 19. So the very less value is of the number is 14. Yes, very good. Next one will be 19. Next one 26, then 37, then 49. Same will be like we have to write the same way the next question also. The next question is the numbers are as follows: 83, 94, 69, 53, 37. So the lowest valued number is 37. So it comes first. 37, then 53, then 69, then 83, then 94. So you have to do like this, or you have to do the same for all. Next one, write the following number in descending or decreasing order. Descending or decreasing order. Here you have to write the best valued or the highest valued number in the first position. We have learned ordinal number. So in the first position, here in the first position you have to write the highest valued number. So here you can see 15, 85, 65, 65, then 63, then 74. So here you know it very well that 85 is the highest valued number. So I have written it in the first position. Then comes the second, that is 74, then 65, then 63, then 15. Same will be for all. Okay children, now you see, wait a bit. Yes, now same is written that 1 10 means tens, 1 tens means 10, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 7 tens means 70, then 8 tens means 80, 9 tens means 90, 10 tens means 100. 100 into 1 into 100 is equal to 100, as 100. 2 into 100 means 200, as 200. 3 into 100 means 300. Then 4 into 100. I think the picture is clear. Okay, let me make it, yes, more clear. Now you see, 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Then 5 into 100 means 500. 500. Then 6 into 100 means 600. Then 7 into 100 means 700. 8 into 100 means 800. 9 into 100 means 900. 10 into 100 means 1000. Yes, like the same way you have to learn. Yes, some number names and the place value you have to learn. Now the exercise time. Here. Yes. Write the missing numbers in ascending order. Same as I told you that you have to write ascending order. The numbers are in ascending order. So you have to write the missing numbers. The numbers are in ascending order. So 310. So after 310, the next number will be, after number of 310 will be 311, then 312, 313, 314, 315, then 316, then 317, 318, then the last 319. Next one, 450. Then what will be the after number of 450, children? Tell me. Anybody? Yes, very good. It is 451. Then 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459. Next one is 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328 and 329. Same will be followed for the next one. Yes, the same way. Now the next question is what? The next question, who will read for me? Anybody? Okay, I am reading it myself. Write the following numbers in words. So as I told you children, you have to learn the spellings or the number names for the numbers from 1 to 909. In the online class, I told you to memorize all the spellings. So here the first is 647, that is 647, 647. So the spelling will be what? SIX, then 100, HUNDRED, 100, then 40, FORTY, and one small gap, that is hyphen, then 7, SEVEN. Next one is 563, 500, FIVE, 500, HUNDRED, 100, 60, SIXTY, 63, THREE, 63. So next will be the same one. Next question is what? Next is you have to write the numerals for the number names. So the first new number name is what? 582. You see, I have written 582. Next one, 197. So I have written 197. So like the same way you have to do. Now very important thing is about to come. Wait a bit. Yes. This is one of the most important topics where you have to learn something new. So here you can see one abacus stand is there. What is this? Abacus tool or abacus stand. Here you can see HTO, it's written. 3 rods are there. So here H means 100, T means tens, and O means ones. 100, tens, ones. Here 3 dots are there in the abacus. This is the abacus picture. First rod, this is the first rod expressing, this is the, from the right side if I say it, the first rod stands for ones. Second one is for tens and third one is for 100. So in the first rod you can see how many bits are there? 1, 2 and 3. So I have written, you see it is written 3. In the tens place 2 bits are there, so it's written 2. And the last in 100 place it is 4 bits are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. So 4, 2 and 3. So it means 423. 423. Suppose I am writing like this: 100, tens and ones. 3 dots are there. If in 100 place 1 bit is there, in tens place 2 bits are there, and in ones place 1, 2 and 3 bits are there. Suppose here, yes, I think you are able to see it. So in 100 place it is 100 place, it is tens place and it is ones place. So in 100 place 1 bit is there, so I will write only 1. Tens place 2 bits are there, this means 2, and ones place 3 bits are there. So here you just remember, here the value of this bit is 100. Here in 100 place if 1 bit is there, it means 100. Tens place each bit's value 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. So I have written 2. And ones place each bit's value only 1. So 1, 2, 3. It's normal 3. So 123. I hope you understand. If not, in the online class I have taught you how to understand and how to make it clear and how to solve the sums. So here some abacus beads are there. You have to count the beads and write the numbers. So in 100 place no beads are there, and no bead if the 100 place is vacant, no beads are there. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads are there. So you have to write 4. Ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, let me make it more vivid so that we can say it properly. Yes, yes. Now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 6, it is 46. 4, 6, 46. Yes. So here the answer will be 46. Next one is in 100 place 3 bits are there. In 100 place 3 bits are there, so simply we will write 3. Tens place 2 bits are there, so we will simply write 2. And in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. So it means it is 325. Like same way you have to just count and you have to just write the number. Yes, for you only I have written the answers. Okay, so just read it. Now here you can see 100, that is in 100 place only one bit is there. The tens place is vacant and ones place is also vacant. But the next one here 100 place one bit is there, that is 100. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 550. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 100, you know it very well, it is 156. Next one is 134. Here 100 place 100 tens and ones. In 100 place 2 bits are there, so it is 200. Then tens place 0 and ones place is 1 bit, so 201 only. Now coming to our next page. Yes, very important thing, place value. Write the place value of each digit. So in the previous now just only we have learned that if 100 place 7 is there, it means 7. If 100 place 2 is there, it means 200. So we have learned already the place values. So 7 stands for 700. 0 stands for in tens place, so it is 200, and 3 means 3. 940, 940, so 900 for then the place value of 4 is 40 and 0 is 0. 238, so the place value of 2 is 200. The place value of 3 is 30 and 8 is normal as 8. Now coming to our next, that is, what does each following mean? What does each following mean? 537 means 5 hundreds, 3 tens and 7 ones. Next 735, 7 hundreds, 3 tens and 5 ones. Next 504, that is 5 hundreds, 0 tens and 4 ones. 640, 6 hundreds, 4 tens, 0 ones. 278, 200, 7 tens and 8 ones. Understood, children? I hope you have understood, because we have learned so many things in our online class. Here the same thing, expanded form we have learned how to write the expanded form. Simply we have to write the place values of each digit. So this 567, it's 567, so 5 hundreds are there. Yes, 5 hundreds. Then 6 means 60 and 7. Next 250, 200 plus 50 plus 0, right? 701, 7 hundreds plus 000 plus 1. 419, 400s, 10, then 10 plus 9. 133. Children, it's very easy. Suppose you are just you wanted to know that ma'am, how it is possible, how you are expanding it. It's very easy. See, if 325, it's very easy. 300, if you add it 20 plus 5, so 005 means 5, then 2, then 3. What comes? 325. See, this is the short form of the number, and it is the expanded form of the numbers. Okay, So you just revise it so that you will be able to answer. Next, write the short form. As I told you children, we have learned expanded form. Now we will learn the short form. 4 hundreds means 4, 8 tens means 8 and 5 ones means 5. It's very easy. 485. Next, 3 hundreds, 8 tens and 1 1, that is 381. 8 hundreds, 0 tens and 4 ones, 804. 7 hundreds, 1 10 and 0 ones means 710. Next one. Next, compare. Compare means we have to know that which number is bigger number. You know, one crocodile is there who seems to look like this. Suppose one chocolate is there, one big chocolate is there and one small chocolate is there. So this crocodile will eat this one. Suppose it's a big chocolate and it is the small chocolate. Then the crocodile will eat the big one. Yes, this is just, you remember this. Whatever number will be the bigger value, the number which will have the greater value, the value sign of greater than sign will be look forward to it. Suppose the first one 183 and 83. So here we know it very well, 183 is bigger than 83. So you see the sign of greater than has moving. I have just placed the sign towards 183. Same goes for 615 and 834. So 834 is bigger than 615. So it will move towards 834. That's it. Now, same, rearranging the sentences, rearranging the numbers in ascending order, and we know it very well how to do. We have to write the less value first. So here the less value number is 176, then 267, then 365, 456 and 576. Understood? Like the same way you have to do the next one. Okay. Now same, descending order. You have to write the biggest valued number. Biggest valued number here, you know, 444, 555, 777, 666 and 888. So here it is, you know it very well that 888, this one is the biggest number or the highest valued number. So I have written it in the first. Next one will come 777, then 666, 554, 555 and 444. Like the same way you have to do it. Understood children? Tick the correct option. It's very easy. Number from 10 to 99 are the number of, tell me, is it 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 0 digit number? Very good, it is 2 digit number. Number from 100 to 999 are 0 digit number, 1 digit number, 3 digit number. Yes, very good, it is 3 digit number. Now, the next one. Write the place value and face value of each digit, underlined digit. So, here 935, we know it very well. 3 digit means 100 tens ones. So, in tens place 3 means the place value of 3 will be 30 and face value will be, face value means if you look your face in the mirror, the same picture you will see whatever your face is having. Your face, the same number, same value, same picture you can see. Here number also, if number 3 is there, so face value of 3 is same, 3. Okay, no need to change that. 708, here underlined value is 0, so 0. Then 464, so place value of 4 here only 4 because it is in ones place and face value is 4. 468, here 4, value of 4 is 400 and the face value is same. Okay children, I hope you have understood and you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to practice it without fail. I know you all are very good and you will practice it with a good will. So this was for the day. Take care children and have a nice